Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Kind of a boring day in the market, right? We opened up a little red, a little green. We went a little green. We went a little red. This is what we've been talking about. It's a sideways market right now, guys. Where and it all kind of gravitates around that 10-year yield, right? A 10-year bounces up, the Nasdaq sells off, the Dow goes up, right? The value trade, the money starts rolling into the value trade, right? Your good dividends, your industrials, your things like that. I'm sorry, your utilities and things like that. Uh, You're kind of seeing it go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? Nothing's really moving. Even the Dow makes new highs, but it doesn't hold it. It comes right back down. Things are cycling. Apple's not participating. Apple started to participate a little bit yesterday and this morning, but then it kind of backed off, right? So you got to be very careful with your trading right now. And we talked about it the last couple of months, right, guys? You should be building that growth portfolio and stuff. And on that subject, we're going to be right after this. I'll release the stock of the week. It's an energy play. And it's a great chart. It's a great company and it's a great energy play. And like I talked to you guys about, look, the oldest saying in the market is you buy when they sell, you sell when they buy, right? What that equates to is you buy into weakness, you sell into strength, right? Right now is the time, right? We just started to have this reopening that was starting to catch, and energy was the benefactor of it, right? But the last couple of days, right? France shutting down, Canada extending some of their restrictions and stuff. And even in the United States, right, you've got little pockets of reclosings and stuff. You got a lot of pockets of opening, but again, you've got that counter effect. And the news, right, oil's down, what, about $2 today, barrel. Now is the time, if you're looking to get an energy play, now is the time to swoop in there like a bandit and steal you some shares. So look, guys, I don't have much on the market today. We can share screen if you want. Let me take care of that. Sorry, guys. Pop on over that. All right. And you can see that market. When we started recording, this thing was red across the board. Now it's back up to the S&P. Now the S&P, really, it's all about the FANG stocks right now for it to take another bull leg and to hold it. And we've been talking about that. You kind of keep an eye on Apple. It's kind of the barometer. If you look right now, excuse me, it's Tuesday morning, guys. You can see Apple's down about 40 cents. It's been as high as 124 this morning. If you look at the day chart, you see how it's just kind of trickling down. Everything's really, really weak right now. Everything's really petulant. Everything's indecisive. And now is the time that you want to show your strength as a trader and your resolve and get in there and get your favorite plays, if you believe that the reopening is going to work. Look, guys, it's just all about that right now. You can talk about anything you want, but it all comes down to it's time. It's time. We have a vaccine. According to the administration, the Biden administration, we are ahead of goals for getting it in people's arms. It's time to open things up. I know we had Kook Fauci come out again. Jesus Christ, man. Somebody put a bell on this guy and a muzzle. It comes out again yesterday, and he's down talking the reopening, right? Oh, we have up new cases. Europe's an example. Look, guys, you cannot reopen without those cases moving up a little bit. It's just the way it works. It's like I tell you about big growth. You cannot have big growth without some inflation. Same thing. Get the shots in the arms, get those doors open, those businesses open, and we'll be fine a couple months from now. Yes, there might be a little spike in cases. You address those. You address those as you go. But you don't keep doing the same thing we're doing. Open, close, open, close, open, close. That's Fauci logic. Obviously. But look, if you're getting paid for every time you're on TV, you're going to say the things that get you on TV, right? Because one day the pandemic's going to be over and then he's not going to be able to get any more of those paid appearances. And look, guys, that's a whole other story. All we care about is our money and how we manage it. And right now, like I said, since about the beginning of January, the end of December, you should be building these little positions in your favorite stocks for the long term. Might be a sideways market for some time. It has been for the last couple of weeks. So be smart about it. Okay, guys. Option plays. We actually, opened up a little option play going out to summer on XLE yesterday for you guys that follow along. We still got the Ollie calls out till late April. We've got the Apple calls out till late April. And we're short Coke. All right. And now we got a couple energy on the play. All right. So look, guys, take it easy. It's a Tuesday. The market's kind of digesting. You should be positioned, maybe little pokes here and there, like we're doing. We're very selective about our options right now. We're giving them plenty of time and we're giving them plenty of room. We're being patient with them. Okay, guys. So without further ado, that's a morning report. Give it about 5-10 minutes, guys, and I'll post up the stock of the week. Don't forget last week's stock of the week, Cracker Barrel, right? And before that, we had ET. ET's been doing okay. Another nice dividend pair. Cracker Barrel's probably the most boring thing you can put in a portfolio, but hey, sometimes boring is better, right? Before that, we did Apple, right? We've talked about Apple at 120, how it's a good buy. It's always a good time to buy a good stock, guys. That's a true euphemism. What do we give before that? Apple? Yeah. And so, CCI, Crown, which is your 5D towers. We gave that a few weeks back. That one, that's up about 10, 12% since we made that call. Anyways, guys, and it's a great dividend. If you bought it back then, you already got a dividend. Woohoo! Love that free stock. Anyways, guys, you have a great Tuesday, okay? Just much ado about nothing today. Let's see how it shakes out. We think this little pullback in energy makes sense with all the yapping in the media and Fauci and all them. And it's an opportunity to get in energy before the explosion. Look, guys, anybody can split this recovery any way they want, but this recovery will be fueled by oil. It's that simple. Energy and oil. All right. All right, gang. See you guys in the morning. Don't forget to check back in a few minutes. Stock of the week.